I'm now going to move on to section 2 of the Code of Conduct, which is entitled You and Your Business. This covers 3 specific topics. First of all, management of your business. Secondly, publicity. And thirdly, fee sharing and referrals. So, starting with management of your business, there are a number of outcomes that you must achieve in relation to the management of your business. Outcome 1 states that you must have clear and effective governance structures. Outcome 2 requires effective systems to comply with the handbook. So you will have to ensure that you have adopted all the necessary systems to make sure that all members of staff are, 1, aware of and to comply with the various outcomes contained in this handbook. Outcome 3 requires you to identify, monitor and manage risk. Outcome 4 requires monitoring of financial stability of the firm and assets belonging to others. Outcome 5 requires compliance with legislation. Again, as part of your internal procedures, you will have to identify which particular parts of legislative matters apply to the firm and ensure appropriate compliance. Outcome 6 covers the training of individuals working within the firm. Outcome 7 requires you to comply with requirements for direction and supervision of reserved legal activities. Many of the activities undertaken by the firm technically may not be reserved, but it is necessary for you to identify those activities undertaken by the firm which are reserved legal activities and that appropriately qualified individuals are undertaking or supervising those legal activities. Outcome 8 requires systems for supervising client matters, including regularly checking on the quality of work undertaken by fee earners. Outcome 9 requires no outsourcing of reserved legal activities to unauthorized persons. And outcome 10 deals with outsourcing which is permitted when you are outsourcing legal activities or operational functions. You must ensure that such outsourcing does not affect your ability to comply with or the SRA's ability to monitor compliance with the handbook. And one slightly controversial part of this outcome requires you to ensure that the SRA can obtain information from, inspect records of, and enter premises of third parties in order to check compliance with the handbook requirements.